This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to edit background graphics in PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing an important presentation or just want to add a personal touch to your slides, mastering background graphics can really make your presentation stand out. So, let's dive right into it. First, open up your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide where you want to edit the background. Find an empty space on the slide where there's no text or other objects, and right-click on that area. A context menu will appear, and from there, you'll want to select the option that says Format Background. This will open up a sidebar panel on the right side of your screen. This panel is your main control center for all things related to slide backgrounds. Once you have the Format Background panel open, you'll see a few different options under the Fill category. This is where you can choose how you want your slide's background to look. If you're aiming for a clean and simple look, you might opt for the Solid Fill option. This will allow you to change your slide background to a single flat color of your choice. It's a straightforward way to make your text pop. For those looking to add a bit more visual interest, consider choosing the Gradient Fill option. This allows you to blend multiple colors together, creating a smooth transition effect that can add depth and dimension to your slide. You'll be able to select the colors and adjust the gradient to suit your presentation's theme. Now, if you prefer to use an image or texture as your background, you'll select Picture or Texture Fill. This option lets you insert a new graphic or replace an existing one. Simply click on Insert under Picture Source, and you can upload an image from your computer or choose from PowerPoint's selection of textures. This can really set the mood for your presentation and help convey your message more effectively. Once you've chosen your fill type, you might want to adjust the transparency slider located at the bottom of the sidebar. This feature is particularly useful if you have text on your slide that needs to be easily readable. By increasing the transparency, you can fade the background image or color, allowing your content to stand out more clearly. After you've made all your adjustments, take a moment to decide if this background should be applied to every slide in your presentation. If it's a look that you want consistently across your entire deck, click on Apply to All at the bottom of the sidebar. This will copy the background settings to all the slides. However, if you're only making these changes for a single slide, simply close the panel and your changes will be saved for that slide alone. And there you have it, a simple way to edit background graphics in PowerPoint. By following these steps, you can create visually appealing slides that enhance your presentation without overshadowing your message. Remember, the key to a good presentation is balancing aesthetics with clarity, so take your time to experiment with these options and find what works best for you. Happy presenting!